Hi, it's Stephen Truong with the strong team at Roller Page, and welcome to 12 Peony Street, located in my favorite community in all of the GTA in Cornell, Markham. And if you're looking for a gorgeous detached home close to 2,500 square feet on an incredibly quiet and beautiful street, then this one is just for you. Thank you so much for taking a quick tour of this gorgeous home. Now, if you have any further questions or if you'd like to schedule a private viewing, you can just call me at 647-300-7584. And remember, have a strong team behind you.